Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. And so here I am recording this on the evening of Thursday, May 23rd, after Palantir closed at a price of $20.72, being down a little more than 2% on the day, but bouncing about 6 cents in the after hours. And so, yeah, I wanted to follow up on the chart because after we have formed this head and shoulders pattern, which to me it looks like price could be heading down to right around $18 a share to fill this gap. But, also there is this yellow uptrend that I do think will be notable support if we do dip lower. So I did want to go over that. I had been thinking that after the past week, that price was not going to be coming down and that the bottom was in over here between the 10th and the 13th. But it does look like price was rejected from $21.85, which was this prior high hit on November 21st. So while that was prior resistance, it looks like it is resistance again, no longer acting as support as it had been over here. We are now trading below it, and having put in a bearish engulfing candle on the day on Thursday, it's not looking so great. But one thing that is encouraging is that it does look like we are putting in higher lows, with the low today being $20.63, which is higher than the low hit on May 10th, which was $20.50. So as long as we don't go lower than $20.50, I do think that looks pretty encouraging. But if it does break lower, the level that I would be watching for is $20.33, which was the low hit on April 19th. If we get a close below that, I would definitely think that means that price is going lower, so do keep an eye out for that. But another level right around there that's probably important to be paying attention to is the 618 from this Fibonacci retracement here. That is at a price of $20.41. We have not yet seen a close below that level, having hit the lowest close over here on April 19th, which was $20.47, so just about 6 cents higher than that level. If we do get a close below it, I could definitely see us testing this yellow uptrend. That would be right around a price of $20 a share, or maybe even dipping as low as $19 a share. And I did want to take a step back to show where that yellow uptrend originates from, and that is actually this parallel channel having hit the low back here right around May 5th of 2023. You can see the 3 pivot points highlighted here, having hit a more recent pivot point on February 1st of 2024, just before earnings in this big rally up. It is quite possible we could be testing that level again, but it is also quite possible that we could break below it, maybe get a fake out below it, with price returning to this green uptrend based on these 2 pivot points here, going back to the low hit on September 21st of 2023 and connecting with the low on November 1st, also 2023, before earnings in the rally up. So if price does continue to bleed, I would expect a revisit of 20, if not 1950, and if price does break below this yellow downtrend, maybe support will be found by this green uptrend, and that could coincide with a test of the 786, which is right around $18.48 or $18.50. But if price does get that low, I do think it could be filling this gap here, with the high of February 5th being at a price of $17.87. So do keep that in mind, that price could be going lower. I am bullish on Palantir long term, but right now it just looks like it has been fading following this big move up to 2750 on March 7th. It's just been bleeding since then, other than this one fake out around earnings at the beginning of May. So perhaps $20 is the bottom, maybe $19.50, but if those levels don't hold, I do think that 1850 or 18 is on the table, and those could be excellent dip buying opportunities because Palantir is a beast. I think it's going to be doing great in the future, but right now, there might be some discounted shares in the near term. But those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.